वेलकम टू माय चैनल टूवर्ड्स लाइट। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे एब्रीविएशन, कुछ फुल फॉर्म्स। CFL कॉम्पैक्ट फ्लोरेसेंट लैम्प, NCR नेशनल कैपिटल रीजन, DP डिस्प्ले पिक्चर, IPL इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग, DSLR डिजिटल सिंगल लेंस रिफ्लेक्स, PS पोस्ट स्क्रिप्ट, INR इंडियन नेशनल रूपी. Okay, Ulla Kalla in Greek, it is all correct. Basic beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code, ATM automated trailer machine, KYC know your customer, PAN permanent account number, NEFT national electronic fund transfer, RTGS real time gross settlement, CTC cost to company, PIN personal identification number, ERP enterprise resource planning, IFSC Indian financial system code, SEBI Security and Exchange Board of India, CCTV closed circuit television, CDMA code division multiple access, HDMI high definition multimedia interface, laser light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, sonar sound navigation and ranging, LCD liquid crystal display, LED light emitting diode, TRP television rating point, GPS global positioning system, IMEI international mobile equipment identity, DVD digital versatile disc, USB universal serial bus, RAM random access memory, ROM read only memory, GIF graphic interchange format, JPEG joint photographic expert group, WWW World Wide Web, virus vital information resource under siege, SQL structured query language, URL uniform resource locator, PDF portable document format, HTML hypertext markup language, HTTP hypertext transport protocol, DNS domain name system, CPU central processing unit, API application programming interface, APK Android application package, AICTE All India Institution of Technical Education, AMIE Associate Member of Institution of Engineering, BA Bachelor of Arts, BBA Bachelor of Business Administration, BCA Bachelor of Computer Application, BTech Bachelor of Technology, BCom Bachelor of Commerce, B.Ed Bachelor of Education, BE Bachelor of Engineering, BHMS Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BSc Bachelor of Science, CV Curriculum Vitae, GPA grade point average, HSC हायर सेकेंडरी सर्टिफिकेट, ICSE इंडियन सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, CBSE सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन, IAS इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सर्विस, IPS इंडियन पुलिस सर्विस, PCS प्रोविजनल सिविल सर्विस, LLB Legum Baccalaureus in Latin, it is Bachelor of Law, LLM Legum Magistrate in Latin, it is Master of Law, MBA Master of Business Administration, MCA Master of Computer Application, MSc Master of Science, NDA National Defense Academy, NIIT National Institution of Information Technology, PhD Doctor of Philosophy, PGDM Postgraduate Diploma in Management, TGT ट्रेन ग्रेजुएट टीचर। लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबा के ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।